Hey Wolverines, it is Tuesday, March 2nd, 2021, and it is time for our March PBIS assembly. So we are going to be starting off our announcements this morning with our school song. Let's talk about the focus of the month now. So, our focus for the month of March is going to be on respect again. Respect is a very important part of the Wolverine way about who we are. We're respectful to one another, we're respectful to our teachers, our classmates, in order to make everyone feel safe and welcome at West Middleton. So, I'm going to share my screen with you so you can see our matrix here. Respect is in every area of our school. When we are respectful, it means we're following those listening roles. Our eyes are watching, our ears are listening, our voice is quiet, and our body is calm. We're using kind words and actions, and we're also using the appropriate voice level. So if I'm in the hallways, my voice level is at a 0 so that I'm respectful to the classrooms that are learning right now. But if I'm outside, my voice level can be 2 or 3 because I'm running around and I'm having a great time. So remember, those voice levels are super important when we are respectful to the learning that's happening here at West Middleton. We also want to make sure that we are staying in our spots and using those kind words and actions always. That shows respect at West Middleton. Next up, we have our affirmation, and I have some special guests with me for the affirmation.
Respect is the key.
Respect is the key.
For we all can be respectful when we work as a team. Following directions is important for you. It's easy to learn when you know what to do. When it's your turn, you can do the talking. Remember to be quiet when you're in the halls walking. Helpful and kind is the way to be. Respectful and cooperative to everyone we see.
What a wonderful job by Miss Brucker's class on that affirmation. Next up, we're going to Miss Anderson's class for our chant.
I am safe, yes I am. I'm respectful, yes I am. I'm respectful, yes I am. I'm a learner, yes I am. I'm a Wolverine who follows the Wolverine way. Yes, I am.
And that's it for our March PBS Assembly Wolverines. Remember, we're focusing on respect, making sure we're showing and treating each other with that respectful actions and words during this month. And don't forget, your teachers will be looking out for this and handing out those pride paws. So if you would like, you can join me to end our announcements with the Pledge of Allegiance by standing up and saying along. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Bye. Bye, Wolverines. Happy March.